This is your eternal punishment for giving man fire.
Come on, dude.
Go hang from the rock!
Aha! Funny! Take Prometheus down now!
Yo, Pops, what's up?
What's up, son? Listen, Zeus, kind of temperamental, is mad at the population. So he's gonna send a flood, kill everybody. What you're gonna need to do, alright, build a boat, okay, and then honor the gods. Because if you don't honor the gods, you can pretty much tell what happens. I'm on a mountain. So yeah, you're gonna need to build that boat, honor the gods, and that should do it.
Alright, thanks, Pop.
Take care.
Alright,
See ya. See you later.
I hear Zeus is coming for the wind.
Yeah, I heard that. What are you gonna do? You gonna hide or?
Yeah, I don't know. I just might blow away or something.
Yeah, I'm thinking about doing that, hiding in some trees, I guess.
You know, I'm not really sure.
I heard he's like coming, trying to take us.
So you can
Trying
like
to take us down.
flood the world or something like that. I'm not really sure.
Yeah, I don't know. It's some boy.
Come here! Stop! Pyro, why aren't you working?
Oh, I am. I found this paddle. I think it might be helpful. Look. It's dirty. Oh, my bad. Here you go. Love you.
Hey, does it fit?
I don't think so. Might be a little too big. Maybe we should try smaller.
Okay. You think this will work?
Much better. Let's try it. Yeah, it worked. Wait, I have to get in it. Well, at least we're floating.
Maybe we won't drown.
That'd be good.
Unless you flip this.
I don't like
We
this.
might need a bigger boat.
Yeah.
Alright, don't. Stop. Stop moving. Oh, nasty. I got it. We're going. Let's go.
Woo! Ash! Oh, look. Got land? Shit. Woo! Bring us on in, D-Dog. Whatever. The land's this way. And come on, D.
Well, get out, fatty.
Can't. You're not on the land, you idiot. Oh.
This did not work. Oh, look. People survived my flood. Should I kill them or let them live? There's only one way to settle this. Coin flip. Call it there. Tails. Oh. Heads! They live. Y'all are free to go, but I need you to help dry the earth. Funny west wind?
Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're the only humans left on the earth. Like, and I'm stuck with the most annoying person ever.
You're stuck with the most annoying person ever?
You don't even appreciate me, thank you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You know what we should do? We should just go to Themis and ask her what to do.
Sounds like a plan.
Let's just make a sacrifice. Let's
All
use
right.
this hippo.
And this knife.
Okay, let's go.
Good.
Oh yeah! Yummy! Alright, let's go up. Man. These are a lot of steps. Oh, finally! Hey man! What do y'all want now? We need your help, Demon.
We need a way to repopulate the earth.
What should we do? Leave my temple, both of you. Let your clothing hang loosely, ungathered and unbelted. Hide your faces with your clothing as you bend down to the earth. Throw the bones of your mighty mother over your shoulders and behind your back. Mother, we can't just dig up their grave. Mother Earth. Let's go pick them up. Okay, ready and over. Oh look, men and women, yeah.
You'll be banished here forever.
No!
What? Oh yeah. Ah. Ow. Yeah. Goldberg, baby. Yeah. Oh. Darn, I'm closer. Turkey leg lock. Oh.